For the final video in this section, we will explore style inheritance in React Native. To better understand this concept, let's dive straight into the code and look at an example. Within our app component, within the outer view component, let's add a new view and nest a text component inside it. The text is going to read style inheritance. If we return to the UI, we can see that text appears in black. Now, let's define some styles for the wrapping view component. In styles.create, let's add a new key called dark mode. Background color, let's set it to black. On the view component, style is equal to styles.darkmode. If we now take a look at the UI, we see the view with the dark background. However, the text is not visible since its default color is also black. Let's go back to our styles and add a font color. So dark mode, background color black, font color white. If we save the file and go back to the UI, you can see that we still don't see the text. And this is a very important point to note. In CSS for the web, setting a font color on a div tag applies the same color to nested paragraph tags within the div tag. This is possible due to inheritance, which is a feature in CSS. The paragraph tag inherits the color from its parent div tag. However, when working with styles in React Native, there is no inheritance of styles from a view component to a text component. To set the text color to white, you need to create and apply a separate style on this text component. For example, dark mode text, and we move color white inside dark mode text. Apply on the text component, style is equal to styles.darkmodeText. If we return to the UI, you will see that the text now appears in white. If this is clear, let me ask you a question. I'm going to add a new style. Let's call this bold text. And we're going to set font weight to bold. In the JSX, within the text component, right after style inheritance, I'm going to nest another text component. The text is going to read in bold. And for the style, I'm going to apply only the bold style. So styles.boldText. Now here is my question. Is the bold text styled in white and bold or just bold? Take a moment to think about it and let me know your answer in the comment section. If we return to the UI, we can see that the bold text is indeed both bold and white. Although React Native's style inheritance capabilities are limited compared to CSS, it still supports style inheritance within text subtrees. In our case, the white color from the parent text component is inherited by the nested text component. So inheritance from view to text does not work, but from text to another nested text does work. With that, we conclude this section on styling in React Native. We have seen how to add styles inline and using the Style Sheet API, how to add multiple styles to the same component using the array syntax, the differences in styling box model properties for the web versus React Native, and for iOS versus Android. We also had a look at shadows and elevation, and finally, style inheritance. In the next section, let's focus our attention to understanding layouts in React Native. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.